Hey everybody, let me introduce sa inyo ang Starbucks sa Kyoto Nenenzaka na known as the world's first Starbucks to be located in a traditional Japanese wooden house called Machiya. Well, this is 100 years old daw na wooden house. Tapos gina-preserve gud ang iyahang original na facade and design. So as you enter, you can be greeted sa kanang na mga pastries. Tapos kung asa ka mag-order, nasa likod adto ang kung asa nimo i-pick up ang imong drinks. And then when you go to the second floor, this is where you can find the two types of seats. So makita ninyo na naay duha ka type. Ang first is ang typical nga chair. And then kanang nasa kilid is mao na siya ang tatami. Tatami mat seating is allowed wherein you can enjoy the coffee in a very traditional manner. Tapos mo blend yun siya sa atmosphere sa Kyoto. If na